Hello everyone, our RigER team is here. Today we at Global Petroleum Show, and we're going to celebrate 50 years of this event in Calgary, and we're going to announce today RigER 5.0, a new version of our digital oilfield platform. RigER 5.0, it's all about user experience and user interface. We improve all our things about analytics, add new homepage to easy navigate and give us an opportunity to make everything available in couple clicks. We updated purchase module and sales modules, improved equipment maintenance and inspection modules. New reports and dashboard will be available as well. Please join us for RigER 5.0 presentation. It's coming soon.